Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. As we celebrate the joyous season of Christmas, we want to extend a heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you.
Your continuous support has been the secret ingredient that makes our culinary journey truly special.
Your constant encouragement has fueled our passion for creating delicious content.
From delicious curries to irresistible sweets, together we've explored a variety of Goan cuisine. Your enthusiasm is the driving force behind every recipe we share.
Let's cherish the memories we've created so far and create many more in the future.
Together, let's make Get Cooking Now the ultimate destination for detailed, step-by-step Goan recipes.
Let's spread the love for Goan cuisine.
Wishing you a Merry Christmas
Filled with love,
Laughter.
and, of course, delicious food.
do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.